Hey guys, so welcome back to today's video. And today as you have read in the title, we are going to make an AI which is just like Jarvis, works just like Jarvis. The Iron Man's AI. At least I'm gonna try. Okay, no confirmation till now. So my main objective for today will be to have an AI which is voice operated. It should have a pretty okay, cool voice preferably. And as for the third point, it should be totally local and free. So let's get right into it. Just a minute. Yeah, I'm not so good at editing, so don't mind. So there are basically two types of artificial intelligences according to me: local and server based. So the local artificial intelligences are the ones in which you install the database, the knowledge, the source code, everything regarding the AI onto your device. So it is a bit heavy on your device and it will need some disk space. So these two are the disadvantages, but the advantages are it will be completely local in the sense there is no chance of any data loss and no one sneaking around your search history kind of stuff. So yeah, and as for the second one, the server based, these artificial intelligences are the ones like ChatGPT and DeepSeek. We give them a command, they take that command to the server, where and from that server they save it, and again they give us a reply which is also saved in that server. So as you know, if something is being saved, it is common sense that there are chances of data loss if someone accesses the server. Hence I don't prefer it, and that's why we are going to go with local today. But another objective for our local Jarvis AI will be it should be able to run on any, literally any device, and it should be totally free while being open source. So as you see here, that's why we went to the first and obvious choice of mine, Ollama. Oh, oops, sorry. So as soon as what you have to do is go to Bing or Chrome and search Ollama, then you will find this. You have to simply click download and select your operating system and just click the download for Windows button or Linux or macOS. So I have already done this, so I'm not gonna do it again. And after that, after the download is done, there is a code that we need to have. So yeah, here it is. This is the number of trials it took me to finally get success. For the first trial, it was like the code was very bad. For the second one, same issue, but just minor improvements. The third was just peak. It was finally working, but it was text based. And for the trial number four failure, trial number five failure, due to that, how can I say it? Yeah, the voice stuff. And trial six, finally, with a much better database, I have finally done it, and my computer specs are 8 gigabytes of RAM and an Intel i5 10th generation laptop. It was something i5 1035G1 something. I don't remember the exact spec. But yeah. So after you install this Ollama, what you need to do is open up command prompt, and all you have to do is Ollama. Okay, so another thing that you have to do is Ollama needs to run in the background. So as soon as you have downloaded it and set it up, so after it has been downloaded, you have to go to downloads, you will find it and then set it up. It's really easy. I'm not gonna dive really deep into that. So you have to set it up. Then if you simply type Ollama in your command prompt, you will get this. If you do not, that means your software or the Ollama software is not up to date. So what you need to do for the first troubleshoot is restart your system. If you're still not there, delete and again install the Ollama, set it up again. So now what we'll do is Ollama list. So as you can see, I have downloaded Llama 3.2 3 billion parameters. 3b means 3 billion parameters, which is the size of the database. So I have downloaded it a few days ago. And yeah, as I mentioned, as the disadvantages of local AI, it is 2 gigabytes. So before this, I went with Llama 2, which was 3.2 gigabytes, and it was way worse. So as you can see, this is how you can install it. Llama run, and then you simply go to your Ollama thing, click on models. I've got it here already. So you click on models, see there are multiple good models here: DeepSeek, Gamma 3, Quen 3. You can get any of this. I've got this Llama 3.2, the 3 billion parameters one. Yeah, DeepSeek R1 might be better than this, which I'll be using in maybe the version 2, if this works. Version 2 of my Valor AI. So you go into the command prompt, type Llama run and that model's name. So what you have to do is click here, and then you can see the sizes, and also here 1.5 billion, 1.7 billion, 8 billion, 14 billion, 32 billion, 70 billion, 671 billion parameters. Whew, the list goes on forever. And yeah, large language models, which this is, suck a lot of RAM, random access memory. And since I have 8 gigabytes, I'm aiming for maximum 7 billion parameters. That's why I went for that Llama 3.2, because it was tested before by me. Yeah, but DeepSeek Carbon might be a better option. I don't know. We'll check about that in version 2 of this very AI. So simply what you have to do is click this, and then see, just a right click and you will get its name, and you simply have to click enter. So it will pull the manifest and download it. I'm not gonna download it as currently I don't have much memory left. I know, guys, some of you may feel me. So that's why I went for the 2 gigabytes model. And so, as I've already explained, that is local, that is for the LLM. Now we have successfully gotten our large language model. After this, what we will do is we have to make a code. And as you can see, this is the sixth trial of mine which has finally worked. I will pin this down in the description, or at my website where you can get it for free. And maybe version 2 will be paid for around $1, $1.5 something. So yeah, as you can see, Llama 3.2, 3 billion parameters. All you have to do is bring this code, and then the name of your, this, what do you say, large language model, the exact name of how it is saved inside your computer needs to be copied, and then you have to go here and replace it with this Llama 3.2 is to 3 billion something something. Yeah, it's long. Oh my god, it's such a mess, trust me. It took me 7 trials. One trial has been deleted for some reason. Yeah, so we'll need speech recognition, PYTT SX3, request and time. So, yeah, I know speech recognition and PYTT SX3 are embedded ones, and they're not as powerful or as cool looking or cool sounding as the other ones. This is a starting point. Yeah, come on, this is a starting point, so it's good enough for me. And then, as you can see here, engine pyttsx 2 dot init and stuff. It's a long code. It took me around half a month to design this. And yeah, I got these emojis from ChatGPT. I'll confess it, emojis sound cool. So as soon as you have copied this entire code and replaced this Ollama underscore model with your particular model, you will be ready to go. All you have to do is simply go to the files explorer and trials. That's why I've saved this. And trial 3 was a success with Llama 2. I have currently deleted Llama 2 due to scarcity of space on my computer, but we still have trial 6, which is Llama 3.2 is to 3 billion parameters. So all you have to do is double click on this and
Hello. I am your voice assistant made by Valor Tech Labs.
let's go. It's working. It's working.
Nice.
Hey, so I am Valor and say some random stuff to our subscribers today. Yeah, since this is Python, it will take some time. So as you can see, working. Hey, so I'm banner, huh. As I said, the voice and the speech recognition system are the default ones. They were not. They are actually
What's
my
up, Banner?
first choice.
It looks like you are getting access to some exclusive content meant for our subscribers. What caught your eye? Want me to walk you through what's available?
So yeah, as you see, I'm talking to my subscribers right now. It ended already. So currently, the artificial intelligence that I
It
made
seems like you
is
were about to say something,
yeah,
but your
sure. I need to talk to them now. So buzz off. So um, what song? Yeah, as you can see in the command prompt, you can directly talk to that particular, what do you say, LLM by simply doing this. Ollama run llama 3.2 is to 3B, which is the exact name, and you can talk to it right now. For example, I type, hey, what's up, and it will give me a reply. And yeah, it is a good large language model. It does not have access to the web, but it can run without the need of Wi-Fi. So as you can see, I'll simply turn off my Wi-Fi now, and you will see it working. Um, let's ask it what is the capital of France. Oh, it's my bad. So, yep. As you can see, we have no network right now, yet we are running it. So that makes it for the local. And if you ask me, I've done a pretty good job considering the what do I say, starting point. So I think I'm gonna do this. Yeah, I'm gonna install DeepSeek today and try it with DeepSeek. So first of all, we'll do backslash black backslash pi. This will exit, and then we will do llama run. Which one? Let's see. So as you can, I'll open the task manager to show you how much pressure is on my computer. Of as you know, this is 8 gigabytes RAM computer. Just a second, let it settle. Yeah. So now I'll just turn this off, and then I will go to the Files Explorer. Double click.
Hello. I am your voice assistant made by Valor Tech Labs.
Hey, what's up, buddy? So um say something, I guess. Yeah, say something. Oh, right, sorry, my bad. So the currently problem is that the speech recognition does not work with the Wi-Fi turned on. Only the large language model does, because this is Google's, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, this is gonna take a while. I have to shut down and restart the whole system, I guess. Just a second. This will happen, so just don't panic. It will happen. I can still show it to you by the command prompt. So as you can see, we've got the command prompt over here. Llama run llama 3.2 is to 3B. This will run easily on any computer, but the problem with mine is I'm using Python, and Python is actually a pretty slow coding language, so it's gonna be a bit tough. But we'll upgrade that in the next video. And right now, let me type say something to our subscribers, subscribers and viewers. So, yeah, as you can see, my CPU is at 83 to 100% usage. I mean, I can't help if a i5 10 generation is like this, it will go to 100%, but you will get your response and nothing much will happen to the computer. And in the next video, we'll switch to a more lightweight as well as more capable large language model, which does not suck 100%. Let me just show you where did Ollama go. Oh, it's ended. Just a second, guys. Um, I Yeah, here it is. So I'll type something maybe. Um, oh my god, look what it's given. Thank you. Yeah, 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 stuff and stuff. So I created you. That would be wrong. Ollama created you, but still, I modified you to be my Jarvis. So let's see. As soon as I enter this, just a second, let me scroll down. I want to give you the exact oh, too much scrolling. Ollama, Ollama, Ollama. Yeah, here is Ollama. So as you can see, just for such a basic prompt, it is sucking 69 to 70% and 55% of my memory, random access memory. Um, 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 yeah. So as you can see, guys, our code is working pretty well. Let me just explain it to you. Import speech recognition as SR. So this will import all the modules that I have downloaded. For downloading them, what you need to do is just a second. Go to the command prompt. Simply type pip install and the name of that model. For example, let's take speech recognition. Speech recognition. Oh, whoops. Pip install. Let's take PYTTSX3. YTTSX3. As you can see, it will simply install it. I have installed it already, so it won't again. And yeah, that's it. So that's it for the modules. And then you see text to speech engine is equal to pyttsx3, so that will be the engine it has set it, and these are the settings of the engine. Then you have the Ollama control, Ollama URL. So this is actually not necessary, but it is something ChatGPT suggested to me, so I just used it. And then we have the recognizer. Oh yeah, by the way, just because I said it's not needed, don't delete this or remove this, because the code did not work when I remove it. So yeah, recognizer. Then we have the speech recognition, not recognizer. So the recognizer is a module inside of speech recognition, which came automatically when we downloaded speech recognition. Then we have definition speak text engine dot say text engine run and wait. It's all these settings. And then we have listen with speech recognition and its microphone, which is a module inside of speech recognition again. When you see a dot, it represents something inside of the term before it. And it is written SR because we have written import speech recognition as SR. Okay, so that way it will be listening, and then audio recognizer dot listen. That means we will say something to it, and then it will, if it understands it, it will just take it in, and if it doesn't, it will type this could not understand, speech recognition error, stuff and stuff. And then we will ask Ollama, the input that I gave it will go to Ollama, which is installed inside of our computer, so no chance of data loss. It will simply ask Ollama. Ollama will give us a response, and if the speech recognition is unable to send its input to the AI, this message will pop up. And then we have dev.main stuff and stuff. It will say this peak is what Ollama has given as the response. Llama 3.2 is to 3 billion parameters, stuff and stuff. And after that, user input, listen, all of this is again, how do you want it to answer, how do you want it to look while answering. This emoji is what I placed for now, and in the next video, of the next version, I'm thinking I'll even insert an user interface. Yeah, it will be much cooler. What's wrong with this now? Yeah, so as you see, we're back in here, and Ollama has got a large variety of models. This, multiple of them. Um, the list just goes on, and yet we chose Llama 3.2. This is certainly a topic that requires a deeper amount of research, which I promise I will do before our next session.
Hello. I am your voice assistant made by Valor Tech Labs.
So, as you see, it's already, hey, what's up? Say something to our subscribers. So, yeah, so we've given it an input. It
Hey,
is.
awesome subscribers. We've got a new batch of knowledge and tools ready to unlock for you. What are you in the mood for? Want some fresh inspiration, expert tips, or perhaps a deep dive into a particular topic? Let us know in the
See,
comments below.
it's working.
See you
We
inside.
did it, guys. Yeah, I know the. Just a second. I know the voice sounds more like something else, and I will now make a small adjustment to make it sound at least a bit cooler. Yeah, so we go here, and instead of Ollama, let's say, no, let's say Valor. Yeah, so now it will save this particular thing will come while the output is coming, and I think I'd like to delete this emoji. Yeah, let's delete that emoji, and the space, no need to delete the space. Let's just save it, and now if we run it.
Hello. I am your voice assistant made by Valor Tech Labs.
Hey, so I'm Valor and I'm currently streaming a video, and say something to our viewers. Video is about making you, and I already did make you. I know my prompt was very weak. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm so sorry, guys. So as you see, it has successfully recognized it. Hey, so ignore that. Valor, and I'm currently streaming a video, and say something to our viewers. This video is about making you, and I already did. Yeah, sorry for the very weak prompt. And as you see, it's thinking. Yeah. So as you open up the task manager, you can see. You can see the thing sucking the life out of my CPU.
What's up, Valor? What's good, my dudes and dudettes? Welcome back to the channel. So, we're live today making you. Huh. We've done this before, but it's always fun to revisit one of our favorite projects. For those who are new around here, if you haven't checked out our previous video on making you yet, be sure to hop on over and check it out. We
Oh
go
no,
into a
no,
bit
no,
more
I have
detail about
already
the
made
process
you,
and some of the
buddy. There is
challenges
no
we faced
previous
while
video,
creating
I'm
our
so
own AI
sorry.
powered view. But today, we're going to take what we've learned and run with it. We'll be pushing the boundaries even
As
further
you
and
can
seeing
see
just how
here, we
far we can
have
take this tech.
Valor.
So, buckle up, everyone, because things are about to get interesting. And as always, Thanks for being part of this journey with us. Your support means the world, and we're stoked to have you all along for the ride. Let's get started.
Um, okay, so let's end that now. I'm not sure if you are able to hear the Valor bot responding to your. No, I'm not sure if Valor bot is saying something and you are able to hear it because its voice is pretty much audible to me, but I don't know about you. There must be some settings wrong with my video. Just ignore that. I will put another video, a small short kind of thing, and in that you can clearly hear the voice of our Valor bot. So guys, and as you can see, we've got Llama 4 here, which is the latest one, in fact. But this thing will suck the life out of my CPU, guys. And if you scroll down, you can see, oh my god, no. So there are a lot of powerful models and very low-end models on Ollama, and these models can run on a Raspberry Pi 4 and even on any kind of computer you want. But the thing is, not all can run on every computer. I hope you are getting what I'm saying. As this is an example, 16 into 17 or this 128 into 17 billion parameters, all these ultra big models, the 671 deep sea carbons, this needs a really powerful graphics processing unit. For example, an RTX 4090, 5090, and a minimum of 6 core processor. Mostly, I prefer you to have a Mac. In fact, I have a Mac Mini right beside me, and we may do a video pretty soon on showing how fast this will run. 671 billion parameters on this 16 by 16 gigabytes RAM Mac Mini M4. It's not confirmed, but I may do it. And this needs really powerful hardware to be short. And my hardware currently in this particular laptop is a Intel 5, as I've said, and a 1 terabyte hard drive with 256 gigabytes of SSD, and plus an MX 250 graphics card, which is equivalent to GTX 1080, like 2 to 4% below it, as a few benchmarks have said. So in short, we were successful. We have successfully made an AI that can run on any, literally any device. It can be as low as, let me show you, Raspberry Pi. So yeah, this is the fastest and smartest probably LLM for Raspberry Pi 4B. Find your models if any, and stuff and stuff. So there is one for Raspberry Pi 3B. And if you don't know what Raspberry Pi is, it is a single board computer. It is really weak. It is like weaker than your phones actually, but it's always fun to mess with. And this thing can run easily on that. All you have to do is install Ollama, and Ollama run this name. So that's where we'll end today's video, guys, and I hope this video was helpful for you. And if you guys are looking forward for the part 2, where I'll be making this AI much more capable, please subscribe, as I'm literally stuck at 30 subscribers. I know this is embarrassing. Please subscribe. And yeah, my views, I'm at least expecting 6,000 views for this particular video. Please, guys, complete this dream of mine and likes. Please like this video and share it with your friends if you want. It can be really helpful for everyone. And this, if you ask me, was a really fun project. And if you want me doing stuff like this in the future, I really need your help. Please smash that subscribe button. So that's where we'll be ending today's video, guys. Thank you so much.
Please like and subscribe.